Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey there, and welcome to this demo of SightBuilder. Now, SightBuilder builds websites in front of your eyes, and you can do that by simply typing with a chatbot, answering a few questions, and then it will create the website for you. Now, to get started, we go to the pages, and here we can create pages with artificial intelligence. And here the AI is going to ask us a few questions like, what type of business are you building? And we have pre-configured all different kind of businesses, but you can also manually do. But let's say we want to do something like a cleaning website. We're going to press enter, and then it's asking us what is the name of the business. So the name is Cleaning and Go. And then it's going to ask me, what do you want this site to be about? Cleaning services. And here you can also choose the language. So if you like to have your site in another language, you can do that as well. In this case, we're going to keep this English. And now we're going to continue. Here, the chatbot is going to create an outline for us, like a header about this professional cleaning services for your home or office, top quality cleaning solutions for every space. And you can change this if you like to, but in this case, we're going to click on submit. And now SightBuilder is creating a website in the background for us. And once it's done, you can select one of the available themes that you would like to use. So in this case, I'm going to use this one and I'm going to click on continue. And now it will create the website right in front of your eyes. Look at this. This is being done right in front of your eyes. The text has been written for you. Photos have been added automatically, as you can see. And look at this, the website has been created. All images have been added, text have been added to our website. And you can modify this to your own needs. So we're going to click on edit here. And from here, you can add anything to your pages. Do you want another photo? Simply click on the photo and here, go to the folder, go to search media, and here you can search millions of images. Let's take the second one here. And boom, look at this. Now you can add other sections to your page. You can change everything. So for example, if you want to add effects to your page, you simply select the block, go to animations, and look at this. You can add animations to your page, all different kind of animations, just whatever you prefer. Zoom in, look at this. And you can apply this to each block. Want to add animations to this one as well? Look at this. So this way your pages look really professional and you can sell this to other businesses. Want to add manual blocks? Simply click on the sections part here and choose one of the pre-built blocks here. We got basics, we got headers, we got sliders, we got articles, we got photo sections, all categories. Let's say you want to change the header of your website and you want to have a full header. We go to the headers here and we're going to do a full photo here. Let's take this one. Now this has been added to our page and we can simply move this up. Look at this, and we want to have this at the top. There you go. Now this will become our header. We simply click on the photo again. We're going to change this. Pick one of the photos here and look at this. Now this is the header of our website. One of the cool other options is that it also comes with an AI assistant here. When we open this, we can change everything on our page by simply typing and chatting with our AI assistant. For example, if we want to change this block, we click on the block, we click on Edit Selected Block, and we can say, rewrite this paragraph. And look at this, it has been rewritten for us. But you can also do other things, like make the font blue. Look at this. Or maybe you want to add a border, add a black border. And maybe we want to have a photo in the background as well. We simply select the block here and we're going to say add a photo as background. Look at this. And now we can change this photo here as well. Simply by typing and chatting with the AI assistant. Want to make the font smaller? Make the font smaller. Smaller. Just click on it and the font will be smaller. And of course you can also change the font simply by typing here and go to the font settings, and here you can also change the font settings manually if you don't like to type with the AI assistant. But the AI assistant can do a lot for you. It can even add extra sections. So when you go to the prompt library here, you can see all these prompts that you can apply and ask to the chat. So for example, if you want to add another section, you can do that as well. Simply choose one of the options. Add a section that highlights our AI-powered web solutions. We can say add a section that highlights our cleaning services. And then include a compelling headline paragraph and 2 buttons named Our Works and Get in Touch. Also add a background image. Look at this. And there you go. It has created this whole new section for us. The only thing that we need to do is change this background photo to one of our cleaning services. Like this. And there you go. And that's how easy it is to work with SightBuilder. Want to add new sections? Simply drag and drop them. Want to have a slider? Simply click on it and boom, you have a slider on your page. Want to add another block like an article? Simply click on it and look at that. Boom, you got an article. Want to add more? No problem. Click on it and it will be added. Look at this. Want to add animations? Click on animations and look how quickly this goes. Boom. Another nice feature of SightBuilder is that you can change the typography of the whole page. Look at this, we got all these different examples here that you can choose from, all different styles. So let's say you want to change the style of your whole page. You can change it per section or per page. Let's say we want to change the page and we want to have this style. You simply click on it and look at this. Your page, everything has been changed to a different style. Not happy with it? Simply choose another style. Look at this. So we have a ton of different styles here that you can choose from and apply to your whole page. See how easy it is and how easy it is to create professional websites for your clients. Also, it comes with mobile features as well. You can see how this looks on different devices, and even you can decide to hide specific elements on mobile or on desktop. Simply click on the section here, go to the settings and click on responsive, and here you can say that you want to hide this, for example, on desktop, or maybe you only want to hide this on mobile, and then it will not be visible on mobile as well. Another cool feature, you can directly edit the code as well. As you can see here, you can make changes to the source code as well. Want to add specific elements to your page? Simply go to this next section here, content blocks, click on content blocks, and we also preloaded a bunch of content blocks here that you can apply to your page. For example, if you want to add a video, simply drag and drop this to your page, and there you got your video inside of your page. This way you can add all different kind of content blocks to your pages, like dividers, your testimonials, text lines, anything you like, you can add this to your page. And this is just a quick overview of the pages you can create with SightBuilder.